Yeah, Rasta Setty. You can see where I am. The massive, vast land at Akudo. Akudo is a community far away, Bejuleki. Far away. It's a vast land, untapped land. A big man, them have bought so many part of it. See the fences in this full area. As I said, you can't make movie here. You know? This is Akudo. Akudo. You know? Yeah, you can hear some noise. Yeah, that is the sea. You see the beach is back out there. Rasta Setty. I could remember many years ago in my secondary school, we used to have bush like this in the barracks, in our job. Yeah. See? Vast land. Yeah. One day we'll come acquire our two. Rasta say something. Boom.